G'day viewers, this is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel. Last night I've put a metallic gear cog, pulley cog on the spindle, and I've glued it on with a special bonding compound, which I guess works a little bit like araldite. Anyway, I've glued it on, and I've now got the motor, the belts all assembled, and she's actually working quite nicely. The only thing is the cog itself is pretty much wonky. I couldn't, when I drilled it, I couldn't get it drilled dead on center. I think the hole was pretty much off center anyways. You get that with these cheap pulley systems. Like I got this off a cheap $2 pulley that I bought from the markets for a couple of bucks. Come in packets and they sell for cheap as chips. But anyway, yeah, I got it off one of those, and the holes were a little bit off center anyways, and when I drilled it, and it pretty much was off center, and also kind of somehow I drilled at a bit of an angle, so the pulley is kind of wonky on the spindle. But it seems to be quite forgiving. When I power it from the motor, it sort of makes a bit of noise, but it still nevertheless works, and the belt stays in place. So powering up on the Variac. She spins quite nicely. As seen, she spins quite nicely, even though it's a bit off center, a bit wonky. It'll make a bit of noise, but it should be alright. Hopefully it won't cause any speed fluctuations with the rotation because of that, because otherwise it'll cause sync problems when modulating the video to the Nipkow disc via the lights, the LED banks that is. So yeah, we'll have to test it all out and see how it all works out. Next part of the process is to stick these diffusers, stick these diffusers over the scanning areas, and then stick the Nipkow disc onto the spindle, and of course stick the LED banks on, and then yeah, it'll be pretty much ready to test out to see if it works. What I'll do is once again borrow me LED modulator circuit, which is currently attached to my CAN TV. I'll borrow that and test it out with this set, and once I get that going, I'll then build separate circuits I'll build another LED modulator circuit and put a switch on it to switch between standard modes, so you can view the different standards on the flick of a switch, that is. Anyhow, the set is progressing quite nicely. I'm quite happy about that, and yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how it turns out. This is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel signing out.